Welcome to our presentation on wedding traditions around the world. Weddings are a universal celebration of love, but the ways in which different cultures honor this special occasion are incredibly diverse and fascinating. From the vibrant and colorful ceremonies in India to the serene and symbolic rituals in Japan, each tradition reflects the unique history, beliefs, and values of its people. Join us as we take you on a journey through some of the most captivating and meaningful wedding customs from various countries, offering a window into the richness of global culture. Indian weddings are known for their vibrant colors, elaborate rituals, and festive atmosphere. These celebrations can last anywhere from 3 days to a week, with each day filled with different ceremonies. The Sangeet is a musical night where both families come together to sing, dance, and celebrate. The Mehendi ceremony involves applying intricate henna designs on the bride's hands and feet, symbolizing joy, beauty, and spiritual awakening. The wedding itself is marked by the Sat Fear, where the couple walks around a sacred fire 7 times, each round representing a vow they make to each other. Japanese Shinto weddings are deeply rooted in tradition and spirituality. The ceremony typically takes place at a Shinto shrine, where the couple is purified and blessed by a priest. A significant part of the ceremony is Sansenkudo, where the bride and groom take 3 sips from 3 sake cups, representing heaven, earth, and humanity. The number 3 is considered sacred in Shinto, and this ritual symbolizes the union of the couple and their families. The couple may also exchange sake with their families, further cementing the bond between both sides. In Scotland, one of the oldest wedding traditions is the hand-fasting ceremony, where the couple's hands are tied together with a cloth or ribbon as a symbol of their union. This practice dates back to ancient Celtic times and is believed to be the origin of the phrase tying the knot. Another unique tradition is the blackening, where friends and family cover the bride and groom in a mixture of soot, feathers, and flour before parading them through the streets. While this might seem strange, it's meant to bring good luck and prepare the couple for the trials of marriage.
Yoruba weddings in Nigeria are a vibrant blend of traditional customs and modern influences. The ceremony often begins with the groom's family presenting gifts and pleading for the bride's hand in marriage, a ritual filled with humor and playful banter. The bride's attire is a key highlight, often featuring intricate beading, colorful fabrics, and a head tie known as geli. During the ceremony, the bride and groom might also engage in a money dance, where guests throw money at the couple as they dance, symbolizing prosperity and good fortune. Mexican weddings are rich with symbolic rituals, and one of the most significant is the lazo ceremony. After the vows are exchanged, a large rosary or ribbon is draped around the couple in a figure-8 shape, symbolizing their eternal bond. The aris, or 13 gold coins, are also exchanged, representing the groom's commitment to support his wife. Another festive element of Mexican weddings is the mariachi band, which plays lively music throughout the celebration, encouraging guests to dance and enjoy the joyous occasion. Greek Orthodox weddings are filled with rich symbolism and tradition. One of the most significant rituals is the Stephana, or crowning ceremony. The couple is crowned with floral or metal crowns, connected by a white ribbon, representing the glory and honor bestowed upon them by God. The crowns are exchanged 3 times between the couple by the priest, symbolizing the couple's unity. The Dance of Isaiah, where the couple is led around the altar 3 times, is another highlight, symbolizing their first steps together as a married couple. The tea ceremony is one of the most important traditions in Chinese weddings, reflecting respect and gratitude towards the couple's elders. The bride and groom serve tea to their parents and elder family members, often kneeling as a sign of deep respect. In return, the elders give the couple red envelopes containing money or jewelry, symbolizing good fortune. The color red, prominent in all aspects of the wedding, is believed to ward off evil spirits and bring prosperity. Italian weddings are steeped in tradition and are often characterized by their romantic and festive atmosphere. One popular tradition is the ribbon ceremony, where a ribbon is tied across the entrance of the wedding venue to symbolize the union of the couple. During the reception, it's common for the bride to carry a chiappa, a scarf or bag where guests can place money as a gift, usually in exchange for a dance with the bride. Another beautiful tradition is the breaking of a glass by the couple. Each piece is said to represent the number of happy years they will spend together. Among the Maasai people of Kenya, wedding traditions are deeply rooted in cultural beliefs and rituals. A unique and symbolic act is when the bride's father blesses her by spitting on her head and breasts, a gesture meant to bring good fortune and fertility. The newlyweds are also showered with milk as a symbol of prosperity and a long, fruitful marriage. After the ceremony, the bride may be welcomed into her new community by participating in traditional dances, signifying her integration into her husband's family. Swedish weddings have their own set of quirky traditions that add to the fun and excitement of the day. One such tradition involves kissing the bride or groom whenever the other leaves the room. If the groom steps out, the male guests may line up to kiss the bride, and vice versa. Additionally, during the ceremony, the bride and groom exchange gold, silver, and bronze coins, each representing wealth, happiness, and health. This exchange signifies the couple's wish for a prosperous and fulfilling life together. In South Korea, traditional weddings involve the groom presenting a wooden goose or a live goose to the bride's family, symbolizing fidelity and the groom's intentions to be a devoted husband. The payback ceremony, held after the main ceremony, is an intimate family gathering where the couple bows to their parents and receives blessings. During this ceremony, chestnuts and dates are thrown to the bride by her in-laws, symbolizing fertility. The number of dates or chestnuts she catches is said to predict the number of children the couple will have. French weddings are known for their elegance and culinary delights, and the croquembouche is a centerpiece of the celebration. This towering confection of cream-filled pastry puffs, bound together with caramel, is not only delicious but also symbolizes the sweetness of marriage. Another charming tradition is the coupe de mariage, a special two-handled cup that the bride and groom drink from together, symbolizing their unity. The wedding celebrations in France often last all night, with a second round of feasting known as la soupe à l'oignon, served at dawn to keep the party going. Russian weddings are full of rituals that emphasize community and family. One of the most iconic is the karavay ceremony, where the couple is greeted with bread and salt by their parents. The bread, often intricately decorated, symbolizes wealth and prosperity, while the salt wards off evil spirits. The couple must each take a bite of the bread, and whoever takes the larger bite is believed to be the head of the household. Russian weddings also feature a lively karavay dance, where guests dance in a circle around the couple, celebrating their union. Egyptian weddings are vibrant and full of life, with the zafar procession being one of the most exhilarating traditions. The zafar is a musical procession that leads the bride and groom to the wedding venue, accompanied by drummers, dancers, and sometimes even belly dancers. The couple is celebrated with cheers, chants, and sometimes sparklers or fireworks. Another unique tradition is the bride's intricate henna designs, applied before the wedding to ward off evil and bring good luck.